It up and see what's all in here. So it looks here like she threw in one of these konjac. Is that how you pronounce it? Sponges. So cool. And a body puff. I'm gonna move this chair. Or I'm gonna move the box, I mean. I'm gonna move it down. So she gave me some containers. Ooh. How cool. What? Fragrance oil. Mimosa and mandarin. It smells really good. Some bottles, sprayers. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, so Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is so exciting. I love all of these colorants. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. These are beautiful. I cannot wait to make some soap and some body products. And I did look up a lot of her micas and colorants, and the ingredients that are in them are lip safe. So yeah, I've been dabbling with some lipstick and lip gloss and stuff. So that's really awesome too, because like this here, this pink lemonade, that will be a really pretty lip gloss or lipstick color. Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Terry from Soapbox Micas. You are awesome. I don't know how you do it. These are beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you check out Soapbox Micas, and I hope you have a good day. Alrighty, bye.